What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got a new shift knob. This is the SCAD 6-speed shift knob specific for the Subaru 6-speed shifters. Now this looks like the factory option shift knob that you could get on the WRXs. It was like a piston style and titanium, I believe. This one's a little bit bigger and also made out of billet aluminum, and then of course comes in this beautiful black anodized coating on here. It is pretty lightweight. Now with that, that means you're gonna get very quick and very precise shifts, but it does amplify the feel of the shifter, which can be a good and a bad thing. It's bad when you grind it because you actually really feel it and it's gross feeling, where a heavier shift knob will kind of take that away. But when it's good, it's really good. Of course, this is a relatively tall shifter, and so it will raise the height of the total shifter assembly slightly, which is going to bring your hand closer to the steering wheel and should also offer slightly quicker shifts as well. Very high quality piece. Now, of course, they do say it is specific for the 6-speed, but really the only thing I can see that makes it that is the fact that it doesn't have the retention ring for the shift boot here on the bottom. So if you don't mind the shift boot, kind of flopping about a bit, this will actually work for you 5-speed guys as well. Very cool, very good looking shift knob. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.